Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a TikTok now from your phone. Of course, first of all, you'd like to go and open your phone, and you have two options to do that. Of course, first of all, if you don't have it, of course, on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, if you download it already, if you use it, if you don't want it anymore on your phone, as I said, there's two options to delete it. So the first option is just to go to the icon of the application. So for me, here is this in this folder at the bottom right corner. So let's say I want to delete it, so I'll just keep clicking on that, and as you can see in my phone, if I push it here at the top, I'll be able to uninstall it. But of course, other phones have the option. If you just keep clicking on it, you will find here three options, and you will be able to click and install. Of course, if that's give you some like distractions or confusing, there is the second option, which is going to be available for everyone at the same way. So of course, if you're using a Play Store or any other store, just go to the store that you are using. So for me, it's Play Store. Then click at the search option, then type TikTok space now, then hit the enter button or the search button. So as you can see, that will actually be our application. So if we click on it, as you can see here, we have two options, which is open and install. So if you click on uninstall, as you can see, and install this app, if you want to uninstall it, just go ahead and click at uninstall. And if you don't want, just go and click at cancel. Like me, I don't want to uninstall my TikTok Now application. So of course, after you installing it, you'll not find it here. You'll find, let's say as an example, you'll find it like this one. You'll find this option of install instead of this option right here. And of course, you'll not find the icon here anymore because you will be deleting it from your phone. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.